Imagine waking up to find your inbox sorted, your leads prioritized, and your next post already trending on LinkedIn, all done by an AI agent you set up once. This isn't sci-fi. These workflows already exist, and they're working while their creators sleep. Let me show you 4 real AI agents built using n8n, no coding required. First up, we have the WhatsApp AI support agent. This one's built for support teams drowning in documentation. Here's what it does. It ingests entire product manuals, chunks them, indexes them using AI embeddings, and stores them in a vector database. Then when a user messages on WhatsApp, whether it's text, voice, or even a screenshot, the AI agent understands the question, retrieves the most relevant info, and replies in seconds using GPT-4. And it remembers the full conversation. This system is agentic because it senses input, retrieves the knowledge, reasons, and replies all on its own. Next, we have the Smart Inbox Manager, designed for anyone with an overwhelming inbox, like me. This agent monitors Gmail in real time. It reads new emails, checks your history with the sender, and classifies them using Claude Sonnet. Is it urgent? Is it spam? Have you talked to them before? It knows. Then it labels them automatically to reply, FYI, marketing, and more. This system is agentic because it analyzes context, decides on action, and updates your email all without human input. Next, let's talk content. This agent scans Google Trends twice a day, finds what's hot, researches it using Perplexity, and then crafts a post, formatted, stylized, emojied, and ready to go on LinkedIn, X, or Facebook. It even logs performance metrics in Google Sheets. It's agentic because it senses trends, thinks through the content strategy, acts by posting, and even tracks the outcome afterwards. Finally, we have the lead gen agent. This one scrapes business data from Google Maps. Names, emails, websites, the works. Then it enriches the info using OpenAI, fills in missing fields with Google Search, and stores everything in a clean Google Sheet. No more copy-paste, just instant structured lead lists. It's agentic because it autonomously navigates, gathers, enriches, and structures the data end to end. These agents aren't just automations. They sense, they decide, they act. Each one is a mini employee that you can deploy today. No code, no engineering degree required.